Hi friends, I hope you guys are all doing good. I'm organizing some of my hand embroidery threads and I wanted to do a channel update, and so as I work on putting the threads on these little bobbins over here, I'll talk about that. It's been over a year since I've posted a video. I've just had a lot going on for quite a while, and actually for the past couple of years my husband worked out of town, and so we traveled between an apartment near his job and our home, and so running back and forth has just kept me really busy. But he retired last September, and so now I have more time, and so I can dedicate some time to making videos. Now, when I first started this channel, I made a video showing some of my travels, just to share with my friends and family, and it just kind of evolved from there. I started posting videos, but I never really had a set schedule, and if you've been around for a while, you know that my content has just kind of been all over the place, really. But now that I'll be posting regularly, I'll be putting a video up every Wednesday. And I'll probably post randomly here and there too. And once I get going, I might be able to post videos twice a week, but for now I'm just going to commit to Wednesdays. So I hope you guys will follow along as I continue sharing my interests with you. I love the old ways, and I love my Appalachian heritage. My roots run really deep in the hills and hollers of my home here in southern West Virginia, where I was born and raised, and I want my channel to reflect those things. So, in addition to the videos that I'll be doing on things like country cooking, sewing, hand embroidery, sew stitching, I want to include some content on Appalachian folk life and some of my travels around Appalachia. And I do have a new channel trailer, so you can watch that to learn a little more about my interests and maybe get a better understanding of the types of videos I'll be posting. So I hope you guys will follow along and hit that subscribe button, and share my videos if you see something that you like here. Leave me a comment down below this video in the comment section. I always enjoy reading through all of them, and I'll comment back. So take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.